see what this is. Westinghouse, maybe? Where you guys going?
2. Thank you. Thanks.
Oh. Where you going? So we're doing all 3. No brand. Oh boy, that chime. It's a work in progress. You have a good one. Let's see if that signal button works. Oh, actually, it's on by default. Cat view. I feel like this is a Westinghouse or something, or maybe an Armor. Maybe because of that. It's got a panel on this side. That's where the phone is, I guess. It's kind of a weird placement, but alright. We'll do another trip to 3. We're stopping at 1. Where you going? Not the original letter. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't know who put this in. Any clues? Lovely chime. All right, we'll just go back down to B. Or actually, maybe 1. I don't know. I don't even know where I got them. I don't know why it might be Armor actually. I don't know. Maybe I could get off here. I don't know. I'm like lost. I'm just wandering the campus. Oh. Yeah, perfect. There goes the interesting indicator here. That's it. Wait, this door frame. Who does this? Dude, I don't know why. That's drawing me Westinghouse vibe. Alright, that's it.